Hello, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Daniel Boatin. Today I'm going to give you a simple hack, a simple guitar repair hack that will help you when you experience such a default. What will you do when your guitar begins to buzz? What will you do? Will you throw it away, or will you send it to a guitar repair shop? Now, stay with me and let me show you a simple hack that will help you to correct that anomaly on the guitar. If you are a new member to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, check the notification bell, leave a comment, share my video, and give me a thumbs up. Let us begin. Have you ever experienced a bass tone like this? Most especially it occurs at the first fret or at the far end here. My problem for today is at the first fret on the B string. The string is buzzing. So I'm asking, what will you do if your guitar begins to sound like this? Are you going to throw it away, or you're going to buy a new guitar, or you are sending it to a guitar shop? Now, let me give you an assurance. Like I said, if you are a new member to this channel, hit on the subscribe button, stay with me, click the notification bell, subscribe, leave a comment, share the video, and give me a thumbs up. Now I'm going to give you a simple hack. Now, I can see that my B string over here at the first fret is buzzing, and I'm using an Ibanez. Okay, Ibanez. I'm using an Ibanez. This cuts across all guitars. So if you experience such anomaly on your guitar, this is what you have to do. Okay, you need these kind of materials. If you don't have them, you have to quickly find one to make the correction. You need a screwdriver. You need a screwdriver, a star point. Okay, you need a star, and then you need an Allen key. Okay, you need an Allen key. So a screwdriver and an Allen key can help solve your problem on the buzzing guitar. Let's quickly move to the workshop and correct such a mistake. Good. Now this is what we are going to do. Very simple. What we are going to do is the camera very close. Bring the camera very close. Okay. Now, you can see, I don't know if you can see these screwdrivers over here. You can see these screws over here, 3 screws. 1, 2, 3. All right. Good. We are going to tackle our problem from this point. Okay. So you need to, or you have to, not you need to, you have to unscrew the screw, unscrew the screw with your screwdriver. Okay, I am finding it difficult because of the B string, so let me reduce it. The tension. Okay, then take it off. Okay, now I can reduce it simply. Stay with me, don't go. All right, because we are learning. This is a guitar repair hack. A guitar repair hack. Very simple. All right, then there is another screw here. Take it off. Good. The last screw, can it be taken off so simply? Yeah, it has been taken off. Yeah. Okay. Good. Now take off the lid over here. Take it off. Put it somewhere safe. Now reduce the tension of the G string. And then the D string. Reduce the tension. Reduce the tension. After that, try and move them away somewhere safe. And then you can see, I hope you can see, there is a hole over here where we have a knob that uses an Allen key. So quickly pick up your Allen key, put it inside here, put it inside. Okay, now the Allen key is in. Now look at how I am sitting. I can turn it up or down. This time, because it is buzzing, I'm going to turn it down a bit. Okay, I'm going to turn it down a bit. So let me turn it down. Good. Good. All right, I have turned it down about, let's see, is it 45 degree, 45 degree angle 45. Okay, so I have turned it down a bit. So let's see if it has been corrected. Let's put on the strings and see if it has been corrected. Let's take the Allen key off and then put the strings in place. Put the strings in place. Put the strings in place. Okay, then stay with me. Oh, stay with me. This is a guitar repair hack. Don't always take your guitar to the repair shop. Let me tune the guitar. Don't always take your guitar to the repair shop. You have to learn certain things on your own so that you can repair them when the need arises. Okay, good. So if you are a new member to this channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button, click the notification bell, leave a comment, and then give me a thumbs up. This is a guitar repair hack. All right, when your guitar begins to buzz, this is what you have to do. This is what you have to do. This is string D. Okay, string D, B. Okay, G is down. What about E? E is in place. Okay, it's okay. Stay with me. Don't leave. Don't go, because we are learning together. I'm giving this tip to you free of charge. I'm giving this tip to you free of charge. Now let me put in my jack plug. Let me put in my jack plug and then it still bars a bit. It still bars a bit. When you compare to the G string, the B still bars, okay, a bit. So let us reduce it a bit. Let's see. So like this, we turn it. This is 90 degrees. Good. Okay, I have turned it a bit down. Okay, let me take it off. Hey, yeah. I'm finding it difficult. Okay, I've taken it off. Good. Now, where is my tuner? Don't leave, oh. If you go, you miss. If you leave, you miss this lesson. Okay, B is in place, J is out of tune, D is out of tune, A is out of tune, E is out of tune. Okay, let's see. Very fast. E is a little bit out. Okay, so let me put in. Now my problem has been solved. The buzzing is gone, but I want it to go forever. I want it to go forever. So let me turn it down. Oh, okay, and see. Yeah. Is it not interesting? Very good. This is very, 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 very interesting. So when you have such a challenge, when you have a problem like this on your guitar, don't go and buy another guitar. No, it won't. That is not the solution. The solution is an Allen key, a screwdriver. Allen key and a screwdriver. Allen key and a screwdriver will make the magic. Okay, very good. So guys, I hope this video has been useful. Don't throw away your guitar, okay? Then study this, find these tools, and use it to solve your problem. We'll meet you next time for another interesting lesson. Thank you.